Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how you can disable screen mirroring on your iPhone. So if you want to disable your phone automatically connect or share your screen to another device, here's a quick guide on how to get it done, or here's a quick guide on how to fix that. So the first thing you have to do is open your settings. Once you open your settings, then you should just find something like this, like the general raw settings on your phone. Then you scroll down to general. So under the general, you just have to look for an option under the airdrop called AirPlay and handoff. Actually, on iPhone, the screen mirroring option is being refers to our AirPlay and handoff, but in other devices, it's just being referred to screen mirroring. So just tap on the AirPlay and handoff, then tap on the first option, which is automatically AirPlay to TV. So for you to be able to disable the screen mirroring for the iPhone, just tap on never. So never means whenever your phone is close to a nearby devices that actually supports AirPlay, your phone will not connect unless you give an access. So the best way to give an access is just turn this on by put it under automatic, or you put it on ask first. But if you want to turn it off, just put it on never, and that simply means you don't want your device to mirror to another devices. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.